The first thing we're going to do is go to the Chrome Web Store website and select the Gem Wallet extension. We add it to our browser and launch it. First, we'll have to create a new wallet. For that, we're going to click on Create New Wallet. We're going to write a password that we can easily remember, as they'll ask for it every time we want to access the wallet. We copy the secret seed phrase, save it in a secure location, and confirm. Now, we'll have to use our password to log in and thus be able to activate the wallet. The wallet comes deactivated by default. Like all XRPL wallets, we will need to deposit 1 XRP to be able to activate it. In this case, we'll have to send funds from another wallet. As we can see, we have now received the XRP. Now we can start showing you how Magnetic works. We go to the official Magnetic website, and here we have to connect our wallet. We choose Gem Wallet. The first thing we need to know is that to be able to trade the ARMY token, just like with any XRPL token, we need to establish a trust line. We're going to go to ARMY, and here we'll click on Create Trust Line with ARMY. Once we've created the trust line, we have several ways to buy ARMY. The first would be to set a market order, that is at the price we are at right now. For this, we simply have to take an amount. In this case, we're going to test with 0.1 XRP, and we're going to buy ARMY. We click on Place Order and Buy. And that's it. If we now look at our balance, we'll see that we have ARMY here. Suppose we now want to place a limit buy order, that is, when the price of ARMY reaches a certain level, to buy the dip, we leave an order already prepared. For this, we'll just have to choose the price we want in XRP. Right now we see that 1 ARMY is worth 0.0064 XRP. Let's suppose this is when it's worth 0.06, and here we want to buy, just like before, 0.1 XRP. We click on Place Buy Order. Now we'll see here, in Open Orders, that we have a buy order for ARMY. Finally, we're going to show you the fastest way to make an XRP to ARMY exchange. We're going to do it at the market price, where we're going to sell XRP and we're going to buy ARMY. And the same thing. Now we click here if you want to see the details, the slippage. I recommend keeping it lower. We click on Swap. This is where the tutorial ends, ARMY Warriors. Don't forget to like it, share it so other ARMY Warriors can see it, and subscribe to the channel. And remember, we shall prevail.